Hold up. Hey, yo, 0 likes and I'm gonna go bald. Cause this shit kind of getting annoying. It's cool. I like the girls. Still. But this is the last video I'm gonna make on my music. Cause I feel like every time I've talked about it, I never really got the message that I really wanted across, I guess. Just thought about it out of the blue just now. So I'm gonna actually talk about it, but once and for all, so I don't gotta bring it back up anymore. Cause I feel like I've been struggling with just me, my artist persona for a while now. Hold on, what is this? So yeah, I guess this will finish it once and for all, I guess. Maybe spark something in me, I don't know, let's see. What's been on my mind about this shit lately is just really how it's come so far right now. Hold up. Oh, nope, I already know exactly what that is as soon as I hear it. Okay. Yeah. But I don't know, it's really hard for me to start this, but I'm gonna just say shout out really to everybody who likes my music or who liked my music, who enjoyed what I did, to be honest, like genuinely enjoyed what I did, because honestly what I was doing, and this is something I've never really put into words, I guess, until now, I just wanted to replicate what I heard but make it better, because I would hear songs whenever I was younger, I guess, and I guess like more recently, around when I started rapping, I would hear music and I would just imagine how it would be if it was just perfect in my eyes. So I made that my sound. I would just, in reality, I would just copy people's flows, to be honest, like, just because that's really how everybody starts whenever you're a new artist, I guess. But evolving into my own sound, I still was just put into boxes, and now I understand to a degree why artists, like especially underground artists, get frustrated because they get compared to everybody. And to a degree, I just felt like I wasn't good enough to have my own sound, you know, because I just kept getting compared, especially to X. Because I'm not gonna lie, he was a big influence, just not on me artistically, but just as a person, because he just made me feel comfortable as a black person liking what really wasn't considered normal for black people to like, I guess. That's the best way I can put it, because I never really peeped the disrespect. I'm not gonna call it disrespect, but it was technically disrespect whenever motherfuckers would call me the whitest black nigga they knew. Like, I never really understood what that meant until I got older. Until now, it just doesn't make sense, because how is black people supposed to act? How are they supposed to act? Like, it's just retarded. It's retarded. But at the same time, it wasn't their fault, because it's just how we're taught how the world is. It's just how it is. So I'm not gonna hold anybody to that. But it's just crazy, like I said, how far I came with this shit, how just in depth I got with it, how engaged it is, because engaging it is, because this shit's fun, I'm not gonna lie, which is why I kept going for so many years past, what, I think like 2016, 2017, I really can't remember, because it all started before I got on SoundCloud. Everything started on YouTube. I wanted to be a YouTube star, then I wanted to be a SoundCloud rapper. Now I don't want to be any of that anymore. Like, and I just wanted to be that just because it was the wave, especially in high school. I didn't have nothing to worry about. But like as of now, boy, it just doesn't make sense. I salute all of my favorite content creators who still do it. This is like left field, but just all my content creators who have been making content since I first got onto YouTube, or since I was just a teen or whatever. It's just crazy to still see him do it, because it's just not as easy as it looks. It's fun, definitely, but it's not as easy as it looks, especially whenever I just grow and I learn more, and it's just hard to balance it too, because it's just like you have to act completely different, especially if you have like a niche, which is why I never put myself on here, especially because it's just, I talk about a lot of different stuff, and I guess I innately knew that whenever I first started this, but I never really put it into words until I could, which is now. But yeah, I don't intend on putting my music public ever again. Maybe for my birthday for a week for people who really fuck with it and who don't want to come to me to get the link, because that's really where I have it. I have everything unlisted, but I took my link off of the only social media account that was really just my main page, which is my Instagram, because I'm really just deleting that because I just have no business on there. I'm just nosy, and it's just, I don't need it for me in the long term. It's just, I really don't. I came back after a couple of days to see if I was missing anything, and I just felt worse. So I was like, nah, I don't need that. And this too is eventually going out. I just post what I'm posting now just because I fuck with it. It's actually funny, that Maxi Boost video, I think that was like the first little mashup I made, but I'm just not posting that because I just like how it sounds. Like, I'm just posting what I like. I was making what I like with my music, but it was just personal. And I feel like with it being personal too, just like with every artist, with it being personal, if it's not understood, I guess, in the way that you want it to be, or not appreciated, it's just, it gets personal. It gets personal for no reason on so many levels. But like I said, it just wasn't for the reason that I started it for, which is for fun. Which is, like I said, I appreciate everybody who enjoyed it. It was fun, bro. I still look at my views. It's so tight. I don't like to brag about it because it just, I don't do that. But I fuck with it because it means a lot that I was able to have influence like that, or do. But I'm gonna say did, because that was just an artistic expression that I felt got the most results. I was fucking with drawing before I started fucking with music. But yeah, you know, we're one of them. They want them. That's really it, though. You know, I'm just really appreciative of, you know, people appreciating me expressing myself. I feel like everybody should be comfortable with expressing themselves, because that's all it was me expressing myself, my mind. Just seeing people's reactions was enough. It really didn't matter after a while, I mean, if they liked it or not. But, you know, yeah, it's crazy. I don't know, just to see the result of that after all this time. And I have to also say, this just came to mind, shout out Lamine, my boy. He just turned 21 too. He a full adult. Shout out Lamine, bro, because he really pushed me out of my shell to really get even that far, bro. To just get even comfortable with, you know, being an artist, I guess. Not even calling myself one, but actually just behaving as one. Because in order for me to actually make music like an artist, I have to believe in myself like one. And he was really like one of the first people, like in person, in the flesh, who would just be like hyping me up type shit, you know. And actually, like, he was fucking with my music more than I was whenever I first started. And then I actually started believing in myself, and everything changed after that. Everything. So shout out, because I probably wouldn't have ever got that run back up like that, just if he didn't believe in me like that. And the other people as well, I'm not leaving y'all, but he was honestly one that stuck out, and I still remember to this day, so shout out. But that's really all I'm gonna talk about, bro. I ain't even trying to talk all niggas either off like that. So I think I'm still here. Probably gonna be on new TikToks, some shit, some new videos type shit, whatever the fuck. They got video YouTube shorts on this bitch. And shit like that crazy, bro. Shit like that crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all do your thing.